Hello everyone. Today we are diving into a topic many of you have asked about: how to recover your Roblox account without a phone number or email. This video will guide you step by step, so stay tuned until the end. Whether you've forgotten your password or someone else has accessed your account, this video will help you regain access. Let's get started. First, let's address why you might need to reset your password. It's common to forget passwords or, in some unfortunate cases, get hacked. Roblox provides a straightforward way to reset your password if you have linked a phone number or email. But if you haven't, here's what you can do. If your account doesn't have an email or phone number connected, you can still reach out to Roblox customer service to request a password reset. To do this, you need access to the email used for purchasing Robux. If you used a family member's email or your own at any point, you can contact Roblox support from that email. Now, if you no longer have access to the email used for purchases, you'll need to involve that family member. They can email Roblox support to help unlock the account. Make sure to provide the username you want to recover. Without the username, this process won't work. For those who have never bought Robux on their account, there's still a way. Head to the Roblox support page. Look for the support button labeled Customer Service and click it. Once there, you'll need to fill out a form. Let's walk through it together. Enter your first name. Provide the email address where you want Roblox to contact you. If you're under 13, use a parent's email address. Confirm the email by typing it again. Enter the username of the Roblox account you're trying to recover. Next, you'll select the device you usually use to play Roblox. Choose the option that applies to you. Then, from the drop-down menu, select Account Hacked or Cannot Log In. In the next drop-down, choose either Account Hacked or Forgot Password, depending on your situation. In the description box, provide as much detail as possible. Include your username, the fact that you didn't register an email or phone number, and mention any relevant details like when the account was created. This helps Roblox verify you as the account owner. Once you've filled out the form, click Submit and wait for an email from Roblox support. When you get a reply from Roblox, make sure the email is legitimate. Check that it comes from a roblox.com address. Avoid responding to emails from unfamiliar domains like Gmail or Yahoo. The email from Roblox support will typically confirm they've reset your account's email to the one you provided in the form. They'll include a link to reset your password. Click the link and follow the instructions to set a new password. You might be prompted to add a phone number, but you can choose to reset via email instead. After setting your new password, you should be able to access your account again. Congratulations, you've recovered your Roblox account without needing an email or phone number connected initially. And that's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.